Welcome to my channel. Many of you are connected with me. Many of you are my students, my clients, and many of you are also taking my research and advices. But today I'm just giving my brief introduction for those who are new to this channel. So myself is Meeta Mehta, and I am a founder and owner of Meeta Mehta Equity Research and Education, and I am also a chartered market technician. You all must be knowing that chartered market technician is the highest degree for the technical analysis, and it is a gold standard for technical analysis, which is the degree given by Market Technical Association USA. And I'm also recognized by SEBI, and so that's why I'm a SEBI registered research analyst, and I'm a founder of Meeta Mehta Equity Research and Education. We have such kind of platform where students train under me. They get the live mentorship for the trading, and we also have a Sheikh Khan platform which is handled by my husband Rajesh Mehta, and people do live trading under my mentorship, and they also utilize their skills. And this journey in the stock market is very long for me. My journey has actually started from the last 15 years, and I received my charter in 2015, but before that also I was working in stock market. So this experience and my degree all has blending of all these things has cowed me, cowed my skills basically, because बहुत mistakes मैंने भी की है, मैंने भी बहुत mistakes trade में की है. So day by day when I am working with the students, and when I just keep on touch with the live with the students and traders, I come to know their psychology, their panic, their fear, their greed, everything. And so by understanding their problems, my skills are getting polished, and day by day my skills are becoming sharpened day by day. And that's why now the trades which I provide to the students, the education which I provide to my students, it is really like it's a life building skills. Now कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि when you talk at your home, you sometimes say that I want to work in stock market. Directly question आ जाएगा, what stock market? Why stock market you want to go for? But because the ऐसा है कि सबके माइंड में यही है कि स्टॉक मार्केट इज जस्ट गैम्बलिंग. You cannot earn from stock market. You cannot build your career in stock market. If at all you say कि मैं stock market से हर रोज़ इतना कमा सकती हूँ या कमा सकता हूँ, nobody will trust you, correct? So कभी आपने ऐसा बोला है किसी को कि why we should not work in stock market? क्यों कभी बोला है आपने कभी किसी को? Because there are many answers behind that. Because see, stock market is the heart of the financial market, correct? And it's the heart of the all the businesses. It is having the foremost place in all the businesses. But whenever you work in other business, whenever you want to do the other business, then you do lot of surveys. You get lot of trainings for that, and you dedicate so much of time learning that business, and then only you also know कि आपका skills तभी build होता है जब you provide your time, your money, and if you have patience for that. So stock market में भी ऐसा ही है, क्योंकि stock market it's a global business basically. So for that you need to do lot of survey, lot of research. You need to see how stock market is working basically. You cannot just trade कि ये मेरे फ्रेंड ने ये मुझे एक ट्रेड दिया, मैंने कर लिया, कभी हुआ कभी नहीं हुआ, ये टिप मुझे मिल गई, मैंने कर लिया, कभी मेरे लक अच्छे थे तो मेरा हो गया, कभी लक नहीं है, मेरा फेवर नहीं कर रहा है, तो आई एम लूजिंग द मनी at one point of time. I'm just frustrated, and then losing my money, hard earned money, and then at my home सब लोग बोलेंगे कि मैंने तो आपको बोला ही था कि आपको स्टॉक मार्केट में नहीं करना है, why you are going to stock market, right? But you should explain that there is a huge science working after all the analysis. You have to learn basically two school of thoughts are there, that is fundamental analysis and technical analysis. You need to learn both these things. नॉट ऐसा नहीं है कोई स्ट्रैटेजी किसी ने आपको दे दी, स्ट्रैटेजी आपने लर्न कर ली और डायरेक्टली यू आर वर्किंग ऑन दैट स्ट्रैटेजी. कभी वो स्ट्रैटेजी वर्क हुई, कभी नहीं हुई. सो देन अगेन द सेम थिंग, स्टॉक मार्केट में मेरे लक नहीं है, मेरे लक फेवर नहीं कर रहे हैं. नथिंग इज़ लाइक दैट बिकॉज नो बडी नोज हु इज़ वर्किंग बेसिकली. सो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि आपका लक नहीं काम कर रहा है, पर कुछ तो ऐसे रीजंस है जो आपको मालूम नहीं है, आप उतने डीप में नहीं गए हैं. और मालूम है कि प्रॉब्लम क्या है बेसिकली, कि जब आपको ये मालूम है कि यू डोंट नो एनीथिंग, देन यू आर द बेस्ट पर्सन टू टीच और टू स्टडी योरसेल्फ ऑल्सो. बट व्हेन यू हैव दैट थिंग इन योर माइंड कि आई नो एवरीथिंग अबाउट द स्टॉक मार्केट, then it becomes very difficult to teach such people, or even it becomes difficult for you also to self learn. अगर आपको सब कुछ आता है, then you should back test your things, and if things are going on very well, then you don't need to study, you don't need to follow anybody, you just follow your principles, your strategy, and you trade upon that. But sometimes ऐसा कुछ होता है कि तो कोई लूप होल्स रह जाते हैं, कभी वो थिंग्स काम करती है, कभी नहीं करती है. So then you have to understand that there are so many reasons after that, and you need to learn such reasons. You need to learn the things that exactly how market is working and how it is behaving. And these things you can learn only by dedicating enough time, enough money, and आपको पूरा वो education लेना पड़ेगा, आपको पूरा science पढ़ना पड़ेगा. And then after learning that things, you have to backtest so many times. Then you have to work with your proper risk management, your fund management comes into the picture. You should be disciplined in your trades, and then only things work. So basically आपका पूरा टेक्निकल एनालिसिस का नॉलेज होना चाहिए. और अगर ये है कि नॉलेज है, आपको नॉलेज भी है, फिर भी things are not going on well, so there must be some reasons, so you'll need to find those reasons. So पूरा पहले तो आपको पूरा टेक्निकल एनालिसिस का साइंस पढ़ना पड़ेगा, not the small strategies, because the small strategies if you follow, the phase of the market changes every day, every minute. So कभी वो सिस्टम काम करेगी, कभी नहीं करेगी. So you need to learn that in which phase of the market you are. सो ये तो पूरा आपका पूरा एजुकेशन की बात हो गई. देन अगर आपको डायरेक्टली एडवाइजरी और रिसर्च लेनी है, then also again the things comes that whenever you take the research of anybody, then you should have the knowledge also. You should not completely rely upon any person blindly, or you cannot give your money blindly to anybody कि आप मेरा काम कर दीजिए because I am busy. Because आपके पैसे हैं, आपको उसका ध्यान रखना है, आपको उसमें से यू शुड हैव दैट स्ट्रेटजी कि आपका वो मनी मिंटिंग मशीन हो जाए. पर ये सब के लिए आपको टाइम डेडिकेट करना पड़ेगा. यू हैव टू डेडिकेट द मनी ऑल्सो, राइट. सो ये सब मैं एक्चुअली मेरी ऑफिस में मैं ऑफलाइन सिखाती हूँ, एंड इवन आई एम टीचिंग ऑल दिस थिंग्स ऑनलाइन. And from now onwards I also start the webinar doing and explaining all these things. And मेरा एक्विटी आप अगर मुझसे कनेक्ट करते हो तो यू कैन इवन कनेक्ट टू माई वेबसाइट, बिकॉज एवरी डे द ट्रेड्स विच वी आर डूइंग, विच आई एम प्रोवाइडिंग टू माई क्लाइंट्स, because we have so many segments in which we work. It is futures intraday, then futures positional, then we also trade in index futures, index options, stock options, and I also provide the trades in short-term delivery. All these segments are there for my research services. You can open my website meetamehta.com. I have my performance tab in that website. You can open that and you can go to each of the segment. You can check the result of each of the segment. I honestly provide all the things properly along with the time. मैंने जब भी ट्रेड्स दिए तो व्हाट्सएप के रियल टाइम के पिक्चर्स हैं, आप रेगुलरली देख सकते हो, और यू कैन जस्ट चार्ट अलॉन्ग विद दैट. सो आप मेरा हर मंथ का देखिए, लास्ट ईयर का देखिए, टोटल अभी का देखिए, एंड इवन see, you need to do all these things, because if you want to rely on somebody and if you want to make stock market as a money minting machine, then you cannot just rely on what I am telling to you. You will have to work also. So you get connected with my website meetamehta.com and regularly check all these things. And if at all you have some doubts about the trades, then even you can ping me on my WhatsApp number. So that number also I'll provide you in the description box. So मेरी पूरी वेबसाइट देख लीजिए आप. So मैं हर रोज़ ये बात आपको नहीं बताने वाली हूँ, because from tomorrow I'll just give I will just share my experiences with the market. I will share some very good analysis. Then I will also share some good news or bad news which is going to impact the market, and I'll provide the videos and all these things. And I want you all to get connected with me, to remain connected with me, because really this journey is going to be very interesting, right? Because अब तक मैंने कोई भी YouTube videos नहीं बनाए थे. I was just working and I was dedicatedly working with my trades, and I just dedicated my time to sharpen my skill. और ये सब हो जाने के बाद ही मैं आपके सामने आई हूँ. And trust me that you will really enjoy this journey, and you will also earn while learning. So tell to your friends also, you share this video to your friends, relatives, and ask them to subscribe to my channel. और जितने भी लोग हम लोग साथ जुड़ते जाएंगे, I promise you we'll make a very good financial community where all of you are earning along with me, or we'll make the trading very enjoyable. I will explain you next videos में लेके आऊँगी, तब मैं explain you कि लोग क्या क्या mistake करते हैं, क्यों उनके technical analysis आने के बाद भी और अच्छे news होने के बावजूद क्यों मार्केट घूम जाता है, why they are losing money. I'll explain you all these things to you. So keep connected with me, and I'll come with my next video tomorrow evening. And since tomorrow is the RBI policy, so I have not given you any analysis on anything, any stock, but from tomorrow I'll really provide you one trade which you can follow, trade and earn. So happy trading, and keep connected with me. Thank you.